cha, cha. 3, 4, cha, cha, cha. Now when I'm doing the reverse forward step, it goes 1, 2, cha, cha, basic, 3, 4, cha, cha, cha. What I'll do is I'll move my partner back on 1, 2 and bring her in front of me. So the step would go 1, 2, cha, 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 move her back 3, 4, cha, 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 1, 2, cha, 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 3, 4, cha, cha. Just keep in mind that there will be one open and one closed. So there are two ways of looking at it. So when we are doing the basic step, we'll start off 1, 2, cha, 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 3, 4. This is open, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. This is closed, throw, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 3, 4, cha, cha, cha. So keep in mind, whenever you want to restart the step again, the open step will have to go 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. Okay, so we start again. So 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 3, 4, cha, cha, cha again. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 3, 4, cha, cha, cha. I face my partner and I bring her back. The other variation is I change the hand and bring it up here. So this is left leg, left hand on top, right hand down, and go 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. So this hand is on top, both hands on top, only thing is a cross. Then I can go on to the shoulder. Cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, bring it up again. 3, 4, cha, 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 and change the hand and come back. 4, cha, cha, cha.